Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Siddhant Sharma. Today in this video I am going to make an electric simulator, and this video will have two parts. Second video will come on the next weekend. So the create canvas will be 600 into 350 and background will be 240. Now write / wire write stroke in bracket write 20, write stroke weight, the stroke weight will be 3, now write line 4 times, each one will have bracket. In the first bracket the dimensions will be 100, comma 80, comma 500 and comma again 80. So you can see the first line will be there. Now write 100, comma 240, comma 500 and comma 240. You can see the other line also. Now here will be 100, comma 80, comma 100, comma 240. Now here will be in the fourth one 500, comma 80, comma 500, comma 240. And you can see all 4 lines on your view bar. Now we are going to draw bulb. So first write bulb / bulb. Now no stroke, now in the no stroke there will be nothing. Now write rect mode, write fill, now inside fill write rect, the fill will be 150, 170 and 170. And inside rect there will be 300, 240 and 60. You can see a light grey square over here. Now again write fill, rect, here will not be a rect, here will be circle. The fill will be 50, 50 and 50. And inside the circle there will be 300, 240 and 50. Here you can see a circle inside that square. Now on the uppermost part, write a variable var, var. Now write state. Everything will be small. Now under create canvas, write state is equal to of and then we will go down below circle. And this curly bracket will be over now, and under this start a new we will start a new curly bracket. Write function mouse capital P pressed is equal to dist greater than sign $25. Start a new bracket from here, curly bracket. Place this here. Now here before circle place some space, and after rect write if state double is equal to on curly bracket will start Right fill 255, 0, 0. Write else here, curly bracket, copy this fill, cut this fill from here and paste it here. Now here inside bulb, here what we wrote, copy that, go here, under rect mode, copy this fill also, cut this fill from here, paste that old syntax here, and that fill also. Now you can see that when I am pressing this, the color is changing. Bye friends, I hope you liked my video. Now we will meet in next video. Bye.